Is this thing on? We are about to pack for a 10-day trip to Oaxaca. The trip is actually in 2 days or a day and a half now. It's 10:47 p.m. on a Monday and I have nothing done so far. And the problem is I also want to film this for TikTok, but doing both is just gonna slow me down, so I'm gonna have to choose one. I really want to film this Pinteresty video, but I can film that in the morning. So I just need to set up my luggage and everything. So let's go. Actually, I need to make a plan. Here's my iPad. Okay, where do I begin though? Alexa, what's the weather in Oaxaca tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Oaxaca, Mexico, you'll see partly sunny weather and can expect a high of 82 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 59 degrees.
All right. Why am I adding hearts and stars? See? It's like when SpongeBob was writing the... Okay, for real. Okay, this is what I got so far for electronics. I could write out the other categories, but I'm not. I feel like I should just get into it. You're probably like, duh. Okay, I just cleared my table. So now I'm just gonna lay out everything that I need to pack in sections. So like electronics, hygiene, makeup. Okay, y'all, these are all my products, hygiene products. Oh, wait. Well, I don't need all of these, maybe just... These are all of my hygiene and beauty products. But do you think I need more than 1 bar of soap for 10 days? Oh no, I'm lying. I also have body wash right here. These are African net sponges. That's Benadryl. Okay, it's the next day and this is what I was working on last night until like 2 a.m. The TikTok I wanted to film. I hope it does a little something because this was a lot of work. Okay, now I can officially pack. I wanted to do an aesthetic pack with me, but let's be real. I don't have time for that. I wanted to do an aesthetic pack with me, but can you see these? My camera freaking died, you guys, but my phone was recording. I don't know if you got this, but this is my, what is it? My like emergency self-care bag, so like medicine and all that. Boom, and boom. Okay, testing. You're still on my tripod, but we're making progress. So all my laundry is done. Those are my pajamas right there. I tried to do all matching sets. Okay. So this is my personal bag that I'm gonna put everything in. Those are basically all flannels. Flannels, shirts, dresses, and pants. I didn't even do underwears and undergarments and stuff yet either. This is all just laundry I need to fold right now. Another dress I'm gonna add. And then maybe like 1 jacket or something. Actually, guys, I'm gonna have to do this off camera. Okay? The issue now is that this is what didn't fit in the packing cubes. I feel like this is normal for 10 days, but then again, I don't know. The climate is all over the place. I'm a big girl, so I'd be sweating. Like, I don't know. I saw the TikTok hack of like laying the luggage up. I don't know if you understand. I mopped, don't worry. Like doing it like this, like doing that. in this. I think the issue is I also just don't know. I don't know how to fold. Wow. Oh my gosh, wow. But I realized I didn't put my facial cleanser in here or my edge control. Okay, we're all done. I added my boots, a pair of shoes, a pair of kitten heels, 2 purses. Added my face wash and stuff in there. So now we're gonna close at those here. Top. Oh, you know what I didn't realize? There's a weight limit. Whatever, it is what it is. But hey, fuck. Okay, we still haven't packed this one yet, but this is how many underwears I'm bringing. And then I just need to put socks, and I think we should be good. Okay, my carry-on luggage is done. I wish I could fit one more pair of sneakers, but it's about to be time to go. It's 10:15 p.m. My flight is tomorrow night, but I just need to be ready. Okay, now I'm doing my electronics and plugs. I think I should have got the bigger one because I have my phone, content phone, my 2 cameras, wires and stuff, but I wish I could put this in here, or maybe I can. Let's see. This is a big old charger. But maybe I can put this here. Okay. I mean, okay, maybe not. Okay, that's cute. This, I left my DS, or not DS, Nintendo Switch on the plane one day, and I had the Bratz game in it, so that's not fun. Yeah, that works. We're here.